Good evening. Welcome to the Music and Arts at Hershey Middle School. Currently, we have the Tonawanda Senior High School Concert Band under the direction of Christopher Woodruff. I would like to introduce the judges for today's festival. Dr. Kunkel is Professor Emeritus from the Cali School of Music at Montclair State University, where he served for 23 years as the Coordinator of Jazz Studies and Professor of Jazz Studies and Music Education. As a composer and pianist, Dr. Kunkel released 2 recordings with his Brazilian group and remains active as an adjunct jazz faculty member at Penn State, clinician, composer, pianist, and trumpeter. Dr. Mike Carcrow has music degrees from the University of Miami and the University of North Texas. He has performed as a hornist with many American orchestras, and he served as principal horn in the Korean National Symphony Orchestra in South Korea for nearly 14 years. He is an active performer, composer, and adjudicator, and he is currently a professor of music at Messiah University in Grantham, Pennsylvania. Today's selections include Amazing Grace by John Edmondson and Among the Clouds by Brian Walligis. Please help me in welcoming the Tonawanda Senior High Concert Band.